Hey, I'm your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn Ganpati. Come on, do like this. See how to do. Mukut, like this you do, like a modak. Ears, ear to ear. Then do inside like this, cow line. Same way. Okay. Now we do stomach. See, from here you do this like a oval. Okay, then you do this down part. From ear to ear you take like this. Same way here also. Then you join like this and like this. Inside it is a border. Now properly you see this leg. You start from here, curve line, curve and do like this. Okay, and from here, and then you do like this. Okay, now from here to here, and from here to here. Then you draw this hand and Om. Yeah, you can draw swastik also. Swastik you draw here. Then you do Diyas. Draw Diya here. This is the hand. Okay. Now we do down part. This is the patla. Do with the help of ruler. Then now we learn Moshak. See how to do. Laddu and tail. Now you do this modak thali. This whole picture you do with the black sketch pen. Outline it. See, I done black sketch pen. See, I did this flowers also, har. Now I am doing coloring. See, I done dark outline everywhere. Purple, light purple, orange, flash tint. Then this dhoti, dark green. dark green like this also you do. This is the this like this you do both the side and merging with the light color. I am doing it. Okay. See, I done full picture with the coloring. Flowers I done with the different color. See here red and pink, light green, dark green, dark brown, light brown, background yellow. This is also curtain, background, modak and moshak. Please like, share and subscribe Rehana Merchant.